Local leaders announced today they are keeping a close watch on the COVID-19 Delta variant as it continues to spread up in Los Angeles and around the world.
This comes as LA officials just recommended people go back to wearing masks indoors, regardless of whether they're vaccinated or not. News 8's Shannon Handy has more on our numbers and the warning from one local doctor.
Carlo and Marcelo Board Chair Nathan Fletcher says at this point, the mask guidance here in San Diego will not change because of this variant. Now, there have been 18 confirmed cases of the Delta variant here. And while that may seem low, one local expert says things can change fast.
We're not out of this at all.
Dr. Davey Smith is chief of infectious diseases and global public health at UC San Diego. He's among several local experts keeping a close watch on the Delta variant, which some say will become the dominant COVID-19 strain in the United States.
We're doing a little better than LA in terms of the number of cases and number of cases of Delta variant, but it's coming. It just like it did last time with the virus in general. LA was having a problem and then it spilled over.
The CDC now estimates the highly contagious Delta variant has gone from 2% of new cases to 20% in just the past month. In Los Angeles, the latest numbers show 123 confirmed Delta variant cases, prompting leaders there to recommend people go back to wearing masks indoors regardless of their vaccination status. Here in San Diego, News 8 has confirmed there have been 18 Delta variant cases. In a statement, Board of Supervisors Chair Nathan Fletcher says, "We continue to monitor the situation with COVID-19 and in particular the Delta variant and want to emphasize the single best action you can take to protect yourself and your family is to be fully vaccinated. Almost 95% of our Delta variant cases are from those not fully vaccinated. We will continue to align our public health guidance with CDC and CDPH and do not anticipate any changes." While Dr. Smith isn't convinced we won't go back to mask wearing, like Fletcher, he says getting vaccinated is the best tool we have to protect against the Delta variant and future strains.
The more people who are vaccinated, the less time that the virus has to learn and evolve into the next variant.
Meanwhile, outside the U.S., places like Australia have implemented new lockdowns due to the Delta variant. In the UK, it has driven new COVID cases to 20,000 a day. And in other places where vaccination rates are much lower, like Russia and Indonesia, the new strain is weighing for overwhelming hospitals and filling cemeteries.
An infectious disease can get on a plane and be anywhere in the world within a day. And so the best that we can do to keep all these infectious diseases at bay, and specifically COVID-19, is to get the vaccine out across the world.
Some studies have shown the Delta variant can result in more severe cases. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says because of this variant, they think people should continue to wear masks even while outdoors.